And I have worked both in the private sector as well as the bureaucracy. So I can tell you that they have complementary strengths. They are not competitive. So, like I said, our training in the academy itself trains us to hit the ground running, hit crisis situations. We are great crisis managers because that's how we work on a day-to-day basis. So this is something which corporates over a period of time have built up a very structured organization. So they cannot randomly change very quickly to a situation, whereas the bureaucracy can. So these are complementary strengths that I have noticed, and also the kind of interaction with people, the diverse interaction, because corporates have a particular culture. Their organization is tuned to a particular goal towards a particular sector. So whereas bureaucracy being multifaceted, you just and more so, we have to be better people managers. So we have to meet a lot of people, meet diverse interests, try to understand them, and also try to solve them. So today I could be having a meeting, like when I was in my last posting in Hyderabad, I used to have meetings with corporates on one hand because I was handling CSR for the city, and I used to meet CEOs and corporates on one and the same day, and come back and go to a slum area on in the evening. So that's how our jobs were. So this adaptability is much more quicker in the civil service because it's more of it's been a culture which has grown and where you have to be accessible to people at all times. So that way, I think there is great complementarity, because like corporates have some things which they can do in terms of technology, in terms of bringing better ideas to the board, new innovations in terms of the maybe say medical facilities, or even in terms of other most of my, I mean, waste management projects, they were all coming from startups, in fact. So it's, I mean, we the first thing we did was to do something with recycled tiles. We recycled plastic into tiles, and that came from a startup, which was later taken on by other corporates in a bigger way. But we gave them the idea where to implement it. Once we've done it, then again, the idea also happened that the startup was taken on by the bigger companies because they could find the feasibility of implementation. So there you have the bureaucracy and the corporate worlds trying to go parallelly on things. So once we work out that this is your strength, this is mine, let's do it in our different ways. And wherever required, we bring these two synergies together. I think we move forward much faster. So that is something which we need to understand within the bureaucracy also, because we are so used to managing things that we don't focus much on innovation, or we don't focus much on developing an idea, or scientific innovation I'm talking about, or technological interventions. So these are things which you can borrow. And app management or something in the IT sector, these are things which you can take from the private sector and use them in the bureaucracy, so the for administration. So these are things where you need to just bring the best idea possible and see that you can implement it on a larger scale. So that is what I think. I don't think they're different. Many people do assume that they are at loggerheads, and they work at cross purposes, but I don't think so. I think there's a lot of synergy, and you need one for the other. You need a stable government for a good business to thrive. So these are all. That's how you need good policies for good economics. So that's how it has to be, and each has its own niche and sphere.